Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in AI, machine learning or data science roles, then today's video is going to be very useful for you because today I have bought two AI based opportunities. One is a mass hiring and second one is a AI developer role in big MNC. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity. The company is Reizend Private Limited and they are hiring for the role of junior AI ML engineer. The location is Kerala and this is a full-time in-office role. Now this is a mass hiring posted on Superset. So if you apply early, your chances are high. Let's understand what you will actually do in this role. In this job, you will be working on AI and machine learning projects. You will develop and implement basic ML models, work on data processing, data analysis, and visualization. You will also assist in building and testing AI ML pipelines and solve programming and data related problems using Python. You will collaborate with teams on real world AI projects. So, overall, this role gives you a strong practical exposure to AI plus data science. Now, coming to the skills, you should have strong Python programming, basic of machine learning and data science, understanding of data structures and algorithms, and knowledge of SQL or data handling. You must have a bachelor's or master's degree in engineering, computer science, IT, data science, or related field. They have also mentioned academic criteria minimum 80% in 10th and 12th, and minimum 6.5 CGPA in UG or PG. Experience required is 0 to 1 year, so 2025 and 2026 batch students can apply. Now let's talk about the salary. The CTC is clearly mentioned between 4 to 6 LPA. So if you want to start your career in AI or ML with real world exposure, this is a very good opportunity. Now coming to the second opportunity, the company is Cognizant and they are hiring for the role of AI developer. The location is Bangalore and this is a full-time in-office role with a hybrid work model. Now let's understand your work in this role. You will be developing AI solutions using advanced technologies like LLAMA 2 and OpenAI GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. You will integrate AI into existing systems, optimize business processes, and improve overall system efficiency. You will also analyze current systems, suggest improvements, monitor performance of AI models, and ensure everything works efficiently. Another important part is you will collaborate with different teams, work with stakeholders, and even conduct training sessions for teams on AI tools. So, this is more advanced AI role with real business impact. Now, coming to the skills, you should have strong knowledge of AI technologies like Llama 2 and GPT models, good problem solving skills, and ability to work in a team and communicate technical concepts clearly. Now, coming to the eligibility, you must have a bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, or a related field. Freshers and experienced candidates both can apply. Now, salary, it's not officially disclosed, but based on data, freshers can expect around 4 to 10 LPA depending on your skills and role level. So yeah, these were the two AI opportunities. One is a mass hiring and second one is a AI developer role at Cognizant. If you are a fresher and want to enter AI ML domain, go for Reizend. And if you want to work on advanced AI technologies in a big company, Cognizant is a great option. And quick important thing, if you are preparing for the developer roles, I have added an ultimate technical interview cheat sheet bundle covering 15 plus top companies DSA, SQL, Java, JavaScript, React, Node.js, and Git. You can use the coupon code developer to get 25% off. Link is in the description box. And also make sure to check out the application link in the description box. If you want more such latest job updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.